To build on the value of real-time monitoring, consider end-of-line testing might result in thousands of dollars in scrapped work in progress until a weld problem is identified. Maybe one of the sites in the clamp matrix has become damaged, and there are now repeated weld failures at that contact site over dozens of modules. With process monitoring and careful development, these weld failures are identified at the source and can be dealt with immediately. Validation of this real-time technique is also essential to build process confidence. This can be handled in ATS's dedicated laser lab via tensile strength tests and cross-sectioning to verify the weld penetration and strength. And of course, knowing this information earlier in the stages of your product development is better than later. Does your automation supplier have the facilities and lab equipment to support and test your process, or demonstrate process capability through samples and coupons before the final product is complete? It's not uncommon to submit coupons or pre-production level components to a laser lab for process validation. And prototype work is just the beginning. ATS does not stop at the lab. We use this early development knowledge and the lessons learned with our customers to design and build world-class production laser welding equipment.